I've always found that cameras have a really hard time looking at this polish. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And you may notice we're doing a little bit of a lighting experiment. I have mounted some ceiling lights kind of off to the side and behind me to help with the desk lighting. Unfortunately, it means there's less lighting from the front, so my face is a little shadowy, but we gonna see. I'm hoping this will help to improve clarity of the hands and the polish, but we're gonna find out. So, as you may see from the title, it is Fave 5 July. We're gonna look at my favorite 5 July nail polishes. Let's check them out. So here are the polishes, but we're gonna start with number 5. It is from Victorian Varnish. This one is called Shark Bait. It actually is part of a duo, and this is a jelly. It goes on top of a magnetic, but you're able to use it alone, of course. And that is exactly how we're gonna use it today. It is very pigmented, very saturated, and it is the perfect bright July red. It is a beautiful, beautiful jelly polish. Of course, with all of these polishes, I will put on 2 coats, but like, look how juicy that is. That's beautiful. Number 4 is from Orly. This one is called Sunset Boulevard. It is a bright red with this gold shimmer. This one also has a bit of a jelly base so that you can build this up, but you're also able to use it in the jelly style. I don't know. I think I just really like the jelly style polish for the summer. It is gorgeous. Just like the other one. Very juicy. A bit of a different tone of red. It's more pinky than the other one. And the evenness and clarity is also quite stunning. So if you wanted to wear just one coat, it's also beautiful. Number 3, this one is from Kiara Sky. If you didn't know, Kiara Sky made actual nail polish. They do. And one thing I like about their brand is they make matching nail polishes, gels, and acrylic. So if you find a color that you like, it's available in all 3 products. This one is called I'm Bossy. This one is also not a jelly formula, and it is a bit darker than the others. This one's more into that purpley red space. It is much more vampy, which is not typically, the July vibe, but these red flakes that are in it really bring that brightness up a little bit and give it more of that July sparkle. Like, look at that. If that doesn't look like fireworks bursting, I don't know what does. That is such a stunning color. It is very beautiful, and that is why it is one of my favorites. Number 2 is from Finger Paints. This is a brand that you get from Sally's, the beauty store. It is called Romanticism Ruby. This one is also a beautiful sparkly glitter. I've always found that cameras have a really hard time looking at this polish just because of how sparkly and beautiful it is. This one also does have that darker red vibe. It's not as dark as the last one, but it definitely does fall into that more vampy category. The sparkle is a little bit more subtle, of course, because it's not flakes. It's a little bit glitter. And this one does have more of that jelly consistency. However, as you build it up, of course, you can get that to opacity. And like I did say, we're going to do 2 coats of all of these. So we're going to see how different they actually look in 1 versus 2. And then my number 1 favorite July polish is from Coloristic Carol. This one is called XOXO, and it's a red reflective glitter. These are densely packed. This is part of a whole rainbow collection, and they are some of my favorite polishes of all. There is a darker red in this collection, but this one I think is better for July just because of how bright it actually is. It does have a bit of a pink undertone, which I don't mind. It is very summery and very fun. I like this one a lot. It also does have a bit of that jelly base, but that is good with glittery polishes. That way when you do build it up, you can see the glitter all the way through. But as you can see here in one coat, it still looks beautiful. So if you wanted to stop here and just wear one coat, it's stunning. This is gorgeous. So here are the 5 I have on in one coat. I'm gonna dry these, do a second coat, and then top coat them, and then we're gonna come back and have a look at what they look like in their full glory. All right, so we've got 2 coats and top coat. These are looking fabulous. Let's have a look. So the jelly on here is still very clear, very consistent, very smooth. That is a beautiful, beautiful jelly polish. This one is still a little bit sheer. You can still see through it, which is still fun for the squishy summer vibes, but the color is quite intense and beautiful. This one, of course, is completely opaque. You can't see through it, but it is very sparkly and still retains that dark and lustrous vibe. This one is a little bit more opaque. You can't easily see through it, but if you did hold it up in the light, you could look right through it. If you wanted it to be more opaque, of course, just add another coat. You can do as many coats as you like, because who's gonna stop you? And then last but certainly not least, our reflective is also significantly more dense and opaque, but still a little bit jelly and sheer with that squishy summer vibe. But same situation, if you want it to be super, super opaque, just add another coat. But I think all of these polishes are perfect for summer, perfect for July, and perfect for me. They are my 5 favorite red ruby July nail polishes. Let me know which one is your favorite.